I got my compressor. I got it all full of oil in here. It's got an actual engine. Well, I mean, electric motor driving this air compressor engine. It uses oil. And you can regulate the pressure for the tool in the tank right here. But this hose is way too long, so I think it loses a little bit of power on it. But it works great. Not bad for $307, which normally they're $570. Airline hooked up because it's just to hook it up here. Let's see what it does. Not too bad. Turn on my radio. It's no louder than the radio. Not that loud, to be honest. Yeah, halfway down the garage. I mean, it's noticeable, but it's not crazy. Not too bad. Quieter than my other compressor. Than this guy, but this is oilless, so but it's not too crazy. Hey, Leica. PSI right there. I think it goes up to 175, but hook up this little snap-on. Let's see how much time it takes to reactivate it. It's not very good with this super long hose. I think this might be like 100 feet and some shit like that. Down to about 125 or so on the tool. 150 something. 150. Should activate real soon. Near a minute already, 50 seconds. We're going. And this isn't really the best test of it, but with a super long hose. But it's still hogging a shit ton of air pressure. It's over a minute now. A minute, 8 seconds now. Tool pressure's still holding. One cool feature here is I was about to take this hose off, and I mean, being as long as it freaking is, that probably would have just shot out and probably not hurt me, but made me look stupid. You can lower the pressure here, going down. Here's the pressure inside the line. It's just evacuating it. Easy enough. So air pressure's out. This should come off pretty easy. Let's see if I can do it here. Oh yeah, look at that. That was simple. No crazy airlines going. Here's another cool feature. The drain valve is at an angle, so it kicks it out pretty easily. That's way louder than the compressor. And that brought it down to, oh, didn't bring it down that much. Damn, these things hold a lot of air.